This is not a rugged phone, it's not a tablet, but it has a bigger battery than almost every flagship on the market today. Welcome to the deep dive on the brand new Redmi Turbo 5 Max. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the Redmi Turbo 5 Max as a value-focused flagship model from its new Turbo 5 lineup. The Redmi Turbo Max features an absolutely gigantic battery capacity, a powerful new chip, and a sleek new design. Just launched in China, this device is rewriting the rules for what we expect from a performance-focused smartphone. We're talking about the world's first MediaTek Dimensity 9500S processor, a display that hits 3,500 nits, and a battery so large it practically makes your power bank obsolete. Is this the ultimate everything phone for 2026? Let's find out. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max is one of the first smartphones to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chipset. This is basically a cut-down version of the flagship Dimensity 9500, with performance matching the older Dimensity 9400. It is coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 5.1 storage. With these specs, the budget flagship can easily handle demanding games and multitasking without breaking a sweat. This is the world's first to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S processor, which adopts a flagship-level 3nm process, an all-large core architecture, and a large cache. It achieves a new high frame rate of 2.5K for heavy-duty 3D turn-based mobile games, and features the same flagship-level 3D ice cooling pump and the latest Rampage engine. The device sports a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a bright panel that can reach up to 3,500 nits for excellent outdoor visibility. The display also supports 3840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and DC dimming to reduce flicker and eye strain, plus Dolby Vision for richer HDR content. In terms of build, this model features a CNC metallic frame on the sides and a fiberglass back panel. The rear has a distinct double-ring turbine light strip. The Redmi Turbo 5 Max was just announced in multiple color options, including Shadow Black, Ocean Blue, Cloud White, and the iPhone 17 Pro inspired Sunshine Orange. You also get an IP66 69K rating for water and dust resistance. The headlining feature of the Redmi Turbo 5 Max is undoubtedly its gigantic 9,000 mAh battery pack. This is one of the largest batteries ever seen in any Redmi phone. You also get 100-watt wired fast charging support, along with 27-watt wired reverse charging. With such a large capacity, this phone can basically double as a power bank to charge your other gadgets. Xiaomi is claiming up to 11 hours and 10 minutes of battery life, which is likely indicating the screen time. For photography, this affordable flagship packs a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 600 main shooter, which has a 1.95-inch sensor size. It is paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The primary sensor includes features like optical image stabilization, OIS, and electronic image stabilization, EIS. It is equipped with a 20-megapixel front camera. Both cameras offer 4K 60fps video recording as well. Out of the box, the Turbo 5 Max runs on the Android 16 OS-based HyperOS 3 custom skin. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, an infrared sensor, and dual nano SIM. So what's the damage? In China, the 12 256GB base model starts at roughly $360. The top-tier 16 512GB variant goes for about $445. For the price of a mid-ranger, you're getting a battery that outlasts everything, a flagship-tier display, and a 3nm chip. While we're waiting on global news, likely under the Poco X8 Pro Max branding, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max has officially set the bar for 2026. Would you trade a bit of weight for a 9,000 mAh battery, or is this overkill? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the deep dive.